Place. Locate the garden in available space, area exposed to sun, and away from large trees and plants, ensuring optimal soil nutrients and water. Soil. Make sure you have a fertile and well-drained compost for growing healthy and productive plants, vegetables and fruits. What to grow. Decide based on your individual preferences and available space. For example, if you have a spatial area, you can plant sweet corn, wine squash, cucumbers, pumpkins, and melons. For limited areas, beans, beets, summer squash, peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, radishes, and turnips. For a garden throughout the year, apply crops rotation. At the beginning of the season, spinach, lettuce, radishes, peas, and green onions. Towards the end of the season, beans, eggplants, tomatoes, or potatoes. Mix. Plant lettuce, radishes, or spinach between potatoes, cabbage, or other cole crops. Allocate a separate area for replanting crops, such as rhubarb, asparagus, strawberries, or bush fruits. Make a sketch of your garden. Design your model garden with allocating space. Decide on your favorite crops. Draft a linear timeframe for planting, rotation, and harvesting. When choosing seeds and plants to consider: disease resistance, yield, maturity date, size, shape, color, and flavor. Some of the needed tools and materials to start your own garden: spading, fork and shovel, garden tiller, hoe and trowel, small sprayer and a duster, wheelbarrow, pointed sticks and labels, string and yardstick, fertilizer, compost, manure, peat moss, sawdust, or vermiculite.